The wisdom of the empty cup. In a tranquil Zen garden, a scholar ventured to seek the wisdom of a renowned Zen master. Carrying the weight of his knowledge, the scholar approached the master with a mind eager to be filled. The master welcomed him and invited him to tea. With grace, the master poured tea into a cup placed before the scholar. The scholar watched as the tea rose steadily, soon overflowing and spilling onto the table. "Stop, the cup is full," the scholar exclaimed, alarmed by the mess. The master continued to pour, the tea now pooling around the cup, making its way across the table. "Master, can't you see? It can't hold any more," the scholar pleaded. With a serene smile, the master finally stopped pouring and placed the teapot down. He looked at the scholar and said, "You come here seeking wisdom with a mind already full, much like this cup. How can you receive anything new when you're already overflowing with your own thoughts and opinions?" Perplexed yet intrigued, the scholar asked, "What should I do, then?" The master gestured towards the garden, where the wind rustled the leaves of the trees. "Empty your cup," he said. "Just as the wind can only pass through the trees when their branches are free of leaves, you must empty your mind of assumptions, prejudices, and preconceptions to truly learn." The scholar gazed at the overflowing cup, then at the master. Slowly, he nodded, realizing the depth of the lesson. In the days that followed, the scholar embraced the practice of emptying his cup. He let go of the need to impress the master with his knowledge, allowing himself to approach each moment with openness and humility. As his mind emptied, he found room for new insights and perspectives. He began to listen, truly listen, to the rustling leaves, the trickling water, and the words of others. He discovered that in the spaciousness of an empty mind, there was room for the wisdom of the world to flow. Eventually, the scholar's visits to the master became conversations of shared discovery rather than lectures. And with time, he found not just happiness, but a profound contentment that came from embracing the unknown, from sipping from the cup of life without the burden of a full cup of preconceptions. The scholar learned that the key to a happy life was not in accumulating more knowledge, but in letting go of what he thought he knew, in emptying his cup so that he could savor each moment fully and authentically. And so, in the Zen garden where tea once spilled over, the scholar and the master shared their moments, both cherishing the beauty of the empty cup, a vessel that held not just tea, but the boundless potential of a mind unburdened by the past, ready to be filled with the richness of life's experiences.